Did you know you can grow your own jalapeno plant just from a single seed? It's surprisingly easy. Let me show you how. First, I cut open a fresh jalapeno and carefully took out the seeds. Then I planted a few of them in moist soil behind a glass panel so I could watch the magic happen. Already after a few days, the seeds started to germinate. And around day 12, the first tiny sprout finally broke through the soil. From there, things got exciting. The little plant grew taller and stronger each day. To keep it happy, I gave it plenty of light and kept the soil slightly moist. Jalapeños love warm, bright spots. Every few weeks, I added a bit of fertilizer to boost its growth, and it really took off. Fun fact, jalapeno plants are actually perennials if you care for them well. They can keep producing chilies year after year. After around 80 days, the first tiny buds appeared and slowly developed, until they finally opened into delicate white flowers. To help them along, I gently shook the plant to mimic pollination. Jalapeños often need a little help indoors. After a few more days, you can see tiny jalapeños starting to grow out of the flowers. The peppers grew fast, getting bigger, firmer, and deep green. And finally, after weeks of care, they were ready to harvest. Fresh, homegrown jalapeños.